Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Papercrafting. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are making this Memory Dex for my Year of Memories Memory Dex. Let's get started. Okay, let's get started. So I have my photo right here and my Cricut mat for my joy, but we need to find paper. Oh, let me move my soda out of the way. We need to find paper to use for our Memory Dex. So let's see what we have. Let's pull out all of our ephemera and stuff because we'll need that later. And let's take a look at this photo. I have some scraps. Maybe that one. And this one. Yeah, and then we need another piece. Let's try to use up all of our scraps while we have them. What about the plaid? What else is over here? Come on. I do really like this one though. I think I kind of want to do this one and then maybe the plaid. Plaid, this one, and this one.
Hi, this is
on the
Mimi
other
from
side
Mimi's
of this
Papercrafting.
green.
Welcome back to my channel. In today's video.
Okay, I was editing a video. We'll do this. Oh, maybe this color. I think that. So let's put these away and cut down to size what we need, and I can never remember the size. Every time I do this, I literally screw it up. Hold on, I had such a bad tickle in my throat. Every time I cut my Memory Dex, I screw it up, and I don't know how. I cut the things wrong. I do something wrong every time. So we'll see how I do it this time. I just need to pull up. I will use it on my phone so I can show you without having to share my screen. The file is an old Barely Art Memory Dex file. I don't know if it still exists. I'm not sure. I don't go on there anymore because honestly, they don't have the free. They don't have a lot of, they still have free, but a lot of them are now paid. All right. So this needs to be 4 1/4 by 3.5. Do I have, is this going to be big enough? No. I want that one for my base, and that's not going to be big enough. So I'm going to have to cut a piece from here. The other ones should be big enough. So I'm going to cut a piece from here. So what did I say? We need 4 1/4 by 3.5. I'm going to go 4 1/4 and then 3.5. Then I know that this size will be big enough to do some other bases. And then for the middle one, which I want to be this one here, we need 4 by 3 1/4. I'm going to cut it to 4.5 because if I want to use it for a base again, I want to make sure that it is big enough to cut multiple bases out of there. And then the other one is 3.5 by 3. So 4, 3 3/4. Right? Yeah. By 3. Okay. All right. Now we just need to cut them. So, hold on, which one's which? So, this is the order they'll be cut, right? Yes. So we want this one first. Oh, I gotta change. I don't usually use, hold on. Okay, I don't usually use my phone. I usually use my computer, but I need to change my machine to the Joy and hit connect. Stop asking me to always run. It's so annoying. So we're going to do it on the mat. Confirm. So our first one is this one. I'm just going to put it on like so. I'm going to hit next. Next. And it is light cardstock. All right, I'll be back. I'll cut these and be back. Okay, guys, if you don't know how to clean your mats, quick tutorial on how to clean your mats. Because my mats aren't clean, so that's not sticking. I use LA's Totally Awesome. I get it at the Dollar Tree. I've had this for years. I just spray it on. Where, oh, where is my small... I have so much crap on my desk. I don't know where my small one is, so I have to use the big one. But I just spray it on, scrape it, every which way. Okay, and then all I have is a rag. Wipe it off. And that, you guys, will make it sticky again. And I'm having lots of problems. Also, my drawers are stuck on my... I give up, honestly. Then it just needs to dry. And then it will re-stick. Okay? Now let's get back to cutting. Okay, that's done. I had to use this to free my drawer. I'm just falling apart today. Where's my glue? Absolutely falling apart. Okay, let's get this glued on. And then I was just down here. You're going to tell me my glue is clogged? I was just down here. I got to craft for a little bit yesterday morning before the boyfriend had to go to work. Okay, so we just layer them up. This has been one of my favorite projects so far this year. I think I'm going to see if I can try and do it every year. I would like, though, to see if I can get a box or have my boyfriend make me a box, because honestly, I keep losing the box. Because I keep losing the box keeps getting crushed. I want to mat this, I think, on some green. I'm going to mat this on green. And then we will look for stuff to put on it. But yeah, I'm going to see if my boyfriend can make me a box. I keep breaking the box because I keep putting it in random spots. Last time I did one, I couldn't even find the box. I think that needs to be trimmed a little bit over here yet. Okay, so we have that. Now let's find, I think I'm going to put it right there. Let's find our ephemera and stickers and chipboard and see. I'm going to go in the stickers first and see what kind of wordy bits there are in here. What am I looking for? Wordy bits. I already forgot what I was looking for. How sad is that? Okay. So this is the boyfriend's first tattoo. As you can see, he got a tattoo of Sammy. So I think I want to use This Made Me Smile. I have this little box right here for another project. This Made Me Smile. I like this. Someday this moment will be a memory. Okay, and then we need, is there anything else in this sticker book that we can use? I don't see anything. What about over here? This stuff is so big. Okay, we have puffy stickers. Nothing. Ephemera. Okay, and the sticker sheet is in here, I believe. Okay, look at the sticker sheet. Come on. All right, I haven't used anything on the sticker sheet yet. Okay. I think I'm going to use a camera and then 3 of these hearts. I used to put the stickers on the edge of my desk, but I kept hitting them. Okay, so I think I want to put this here like so. Oh no, I didn't put it over far enough. Oh no, it's too late now. That's just how it's going to be. But you know what? Like that. And we're going to glue this on. Like so. Okay, and then we're going to put a little camera. You know what? I don't really want to use the camera. Let's not use the camera. And if I'm going to use a camera, that one blended in too much. And none of the other ones are really speaking to me, asking me to use them. But I'm going to use someday this moment will be a memory. And then one more heart and one more heart, and let's do 2 more hearts for a total of 5. I am of the school of odds. I like to have odd numbered things on my item. I think it looks better. All right, and here we go. So we had January, February, March, and now April. I forgot to journal, but I will journal off camera. But there we go. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next crafty video.